Alright everybody, this is a Pyro Advent calendar. We have 24 boxes of, I don't know, they're not very big, but come on, I got 24 days of blowing stuff up, right? Alright, let's see what we got in box one here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this by myself. Looks like we got some soccer ball booms. They have the little indentations on them. I don't know the difference, but I heard they're pretty nice. Day one of the Advent calendar. We got 24 videos coming, guys. Let's go. Soccer ball number one. Wow, those little things had some crazy pop to them. All right, soccer ball number two. Those are really nice, man. I never would have thought something that little would have been that loud. Ooh, shoot, that one was even louder than the first one, man. Those things are fantastic, guys. All right, day one of the Advent calendar in the books. Later.